guys, I really think that this is a very nice color combination, yellow and pink hair. I really wanted Sunny with this kind of pink highlights, and I really wanted a sunshine girl, but wasn't sure. But if the pink highlights go with the yellow hair, surely the yellow hair will go with the pink highlights. So okay, I don't know what I'm talking about now. So I just bought them both and removed them from their bodies. You know, it's very easy to do it, just push down and it pops out. So what I'm gonna do is take some hair from Sunny and donate it to Sunshine Girl. But before I do that, I guess I've got to wash all their hair first. So here they are with both their hairs boil washed. I removed Sunny's bangs and just boil washed both of them so that I have neat hair to work with. I'm gonna use her hair and transfer over to Sunny. You know, Sunny has much less hair down here and she has way too much hair. It's so thick. So definitely more pink over to this side and a bit less yellow over to this side. Also, the length of their hair is vastly different because look at how much extra hair Sunny has got. Like, see Sunshine Girls. Okay, let me just put them together and then you can see Sunshine Girl's hair kind of stops here and Sunny has that much extra hair. I'm just going to be cutting Sunny's hair to match her once the switch between hair is done, because I've always been looking for an excuse and a reason to just you know, give Sunny a shorter hairdo, and this would be a great reason. So these don't look all that great now. I've just decided that I want her to have some pink highlights in the front, so I've removed all this and I've decided that I want Sunshine Girl to still have her top of her party pink and you know, yellow highlights just under the part line. So obviously these are the places where I'm gonna get hair swap, but after that I'm probably gonna get a few more spots here, you know, behind it. So what I've done with the hair now is, this is the hair that I cut out. I dipped it in fabric glue, kind of waiting for it to harden, and then I'll separate them into small little extensions and like poke them in one by one, just like you know, putting in hair extensions. So just wanted to show y'all how I root in the hair. Oh, here's some hair already rooted in. It's not super secure. If you pull it hard, it will still come out. But, and you know what, I'm gonna have to cut off like half of Sunny's hair to match this hair length, but I think it's going to be worth this sacrifice because I love the look. Now what I have done is I've actually taken the hair that I dipped in the glue and separated all of them into little tiny bits like this. Oh, sorry. Like little bits like this so that they look like little hair extensions. So I rub it together with my hands like that and it's dry. So once it's dry, it's a little bit hard at this section. I can slip that into my tagging gun. Very easy to slip in here. So what I do is I just push it into the needle of the tagging gun right here. It's quite easy to slip in. Make sure nothing is sticking out. And then I find a little one of the holes that I want to root it in, and then I just kind of push it in, pull the trigger, and the hair is in. If you don't pull it hard, it won't come out, but if you yank it, of course it's gonna come out. So there we have it. Then I can just, you know, fill up her head with the rest of the pink highlights. And then I did the same for the yellow hair too that I cut out of Sunny. Just gave some, you know, glue don't know what you call these glue sticks. What I do with the stubble down here is I kind of poke it inwards rather than clear it. Then you see, put a nice hole once I poke them inwards. So once I poke it inwards, the stubble kind of is gone. And then is when I load up my tagging gun, make sure nothing is coming out. Ooh, sunshine girl with yellow hair. So I'm gonna do the whole swap.
Welcome, center stage production of Rapunzel, starring Sunny Madison and Lily Cheng.
But Mother, it's my birthday tomorrow. That is enough, Rapunzel. I already told you, you are never going to leave this tower. Lily? Yes, Miss Director. How many times do I have to tell you? If you want to play the part, you gotta sound evil. Like this. You will never leave this tower! Oh, Miss Director. Since you are so good at doing it, you can play the part by yourself. I quit! Hey, that was not so bad. Quite good. Looks like you're gonna have to play the part now. Huh? Alright, all done. Now, you know what, Sunny, switch places with me. Yes, this side is much better. This side is much better. Alright, Rapunzel, it's time to fix my box hair. You gotta say it in a magical way. Rapunzel, fix my box hair. Okay. So much better. Lovely. Thank you, Rapunzel. I love this straight, silky, gorgeous hair. I'm glad you like it too. Just, now, you may never leave this castle. No, but yes, yeah, could I have... No, friends, over. This is my house, this is my rules. No, Rapunzel, no. Now I'm gonna be gone for a while. I'll see you later. And remember, no friends over. Yes, Mother. If only, Mother would poison. It's just us. Rapunzel, we're coming. Rapunzel. Oh no, Mother, I didn't go anywhere. All I did was sit and just look beautiful in my chair. My friends! You're here! That's right, my dear. We're here to save you. First, let's change your hair so it loses its magic. No, girls. This is just the cheer version of me. Oh, girls, I love it. It's the cheer version of me with long, silky, straight hair. I kind of love the silver bit. I love it. Let me check it out more. Very pretty, very straight. I've got silver your hair from violet, then still very long and still very magical, girls. I'm coming! Rapunzel, are you breaking any rules? Oh no, girls, she's coming, and my hair still has its magic. Help, girls, help me! Would you be opposed to us cutting your hair? No, anything. Do whatever you need to. Just I need to be free. Oh, girls, I love it. It's short and pink. I love pink. I love it, girls. I love it. And the top from me. And the skirt from me. Wow. And let us help you each one with one hair tie.